Hi guys, excited to have you here today. Welcome to my YouTube channel, TPM Stuck with Olowale. Let's get right into it. Today, we'll be looking at the most discussed topic or the most asked question in the industry today. What's the difference between a product manager and a technical product manager? Have you ever wondered what happened behind the scene of every digital product out there? Who is responsible for calling the shots? Who is responsible for giving the go-ahead and the product direction, even before any single line of code is being written? Today, we'll be looking at who is responsible for it, what they do, and how they do it. Start by defining who a product manager is. A product manager is a person responsible for defining what the team should build and why it matters. In most tech industries today, you won't find a product manager writing codes or even designing screens. So what is the core responsibility of a product manager? What do we do? What value do we bring into the system? As a product manager, our core responsibility is to ensure the company is building the right product for its audience. They're creating value for both the business and the customer. So, does it mean product managers are all knowing? I don't think so. Today, I'll be sharing with you 4 core activities every product manager do to help them make decisions around what to build and when to build and who they are building for. We'll start by looking at market research. As a product manager, you are required to have deep understanding of your customer, what problem they have, how do they currently solve this problem in the market, and who are your competitors. You cannot afford to build product based on assumption. Secondly, creating a product goal. Using the data you've gotten from the market research, you use this in creating a product goal for your team. What are we trying to achieve? Is this about growth, revenue, retention, and efficiency? Don't forget, as a product manager, your role goes beyond just handling tasks to development team. You are also expected to provide clarity as to why we are building what we are building. As a product manager, we've seen scenarios where your market research indicates that your customer have more than one problem. Do you solve for all these problems at the same time? Hence, there's a need for roadmap. Roadmap help you clearly identify what are we building now, what comes next, and why are we building now. It's important for you to have this mindset, build or solve for your customer most painful problem first. Lastly, as a product manager, you set KPIs and you track them. Don't forget, what you don't track, you can improve. Now, let's dive right into the second section of this topic, the most asked question. What is the difference between a product manager and a technical product manager? Start by looking at focus area. As a product manager, you focus majorly on your customer, business, and market need. You help drive product strategy, roadmap, and outcome. You majorly build customer-facing products. While on the other hand, a technical product manager focuses majorly around feasibility, architecture. How do we build this infrastructure? They work closely with engineering teams, development team, DevOps team, and data team. They majorly build platform. They build APIs. They build infrastructures. Secondly, what is the core responsibility of a product manager and a technical product manager? As a product manager, you are responsible for doing market research. You work closely with sales, marketing, design, and user research team. You write PLDs. You document the feedback gotten from this research. You document your customer's understanding and the solution you want to create. Then you create roadmap. While on the other hand, as a technical product manager, you translate this business requirement into technical specification for your engineering team without any ambiguity. So they're able to build correctly and accurately. We work closely with engineering team. We build systems. We build APIs. We build platform. We build infrastructure. We also partner with third-party vendors. We decide around who do we partner with for this service. What infrastructure do we use? As a product manager, you help drive those decision making process. What influences both role decision making process? As a product manager, you focus on business led decision making style. You focus majorly on what drives growth, what solves customer problem, how do we increase revenue. And as a technical product manager, you're focused majorly on architecture. How do we ensure we build a platform that is reliable? How do we ensure we build a platform that is 100% available at all times? How do we build a platform that has high resilience? What skills do I need to have as a product manager to function and lead correctly? Product discovery skills, storytelling, go to market planning, and KPI definition. While on the other hand, as a technical product manager, you need to have a deep understanding of how do you build APIs, how do you build platform, how do you even create technical documentation, security and compliance, incident management skills. What is the mindset guiding both roles? As a product manager, you majorly focus on what should we build. While on the other hand, as a technical product manager, we majorly focus on how do we build this feature in such a way that our existing infrastructure does not collapse. How do we build this feature in such a way that it's able to fit in well with other existing solutions? Lastly, what is the day-to-day interaction between both roles? A product manager talk more with design team, marketing team, sales teams, and customer team. They speak business and user languages. While a technical product manager work closely with the engineers, the architects, the DevOps team, the data team. They speak majorly technical terms. You hear them say stuff around API, SDK, security, schema, latency, availability. In summary, both roles are critical. None is better than the other. The best organization know when to use a product manager and a technical product manager, and they also know when to combine both resources together to building a great product. Great product don't come from an idea alone. They come from building a strong product, combining both user experience and reliability. Thank you for joining us today. See you in our next session.